Welcome to Rustwater Market.
This next item is a vintage piece.
Now, she may look a little tatty round the edges, but she's a little ripper. So, who'll give me 12 quirks? Hey? Oh, come on. Last chance to secure this genuine antique. 10 quirks, or I'm chucking her in. 2! Sold! Next! Stone crows. Full disclosure to my valued clients at the back. This one is a real swamp donkey and priced accordingly. I had 10 quirks.
3.
Oh, you stingy bastard, De Groot. You could do better than that. I'm fully aware of the exorbitant margins currently enjoyed by the sausage-making sector. 5 quirks and she's yours.
4.
4 quirks on my left, do I hear 5?
Hester!
Cheer up, love. You look considerably better as a roll of salami. Going once. Going twice.
50!
An unregistered bidder. Please, approach the stage. $50 quirks for this soggy dollop is an extraordinarily generous offer, madam. Normally, that would be enough to make me self-pollinate. But my problem is this. 50 quirks is not 50,000 quirks.
Get to the point.
Well, it's quite simple, really. There is a bounty on your head, Miss Fang. So either you pay me 50,000 quirks for the girlie, or I claim it from the authorities when I hand you in.
Why don't we settle this? But buy it now. Hester! Come! Wait! Hester! Hurry!
I knew you wouldn't leave me.
Shut up and run.
This way! It's a resurrected man.
Shrike. His name is Shrike.
You made me a promise, Hester Shaw. Now you must keep it.
Go now! Run! This way!
Wait! Leave him!
Cut the rope! Do it! Catch!